Want a durable, stylish fence that adds instant curb appeal? Here's how to install an ornamental fence yourself. The right way. Ornamental fences, usually made from aluminum or steel, often come in pre-assembled panels that mount to metal posts. For custom systems, the method may vary slightly. Here's what you'll need for a typical DIY install. Map your fence layout using stakes and string. Measure based on panel widths, typically 6 or 8 feet. Mark all line, corner, and gate post locations carefully. Dig your holes about 8 to 10 inches wide and 24 to 30 inches deep. Add gravel for drainage. Set your posts in concrete, making sure they're perfectly aligned and plumb. This part is critical. The pre-assembled panels won't fit if posts are off. Once the posts are set, attach the panels using included brackets or mounting hardware. These pre-made sections are designed for easy alignment. Just check level before securing each one. If you're installing a custom ornamental fence, follow manufacturer or weld-on instructions. Install your gate using heavy-duty hinges and a latch kit. Make sure it swings freely and aligns with the surrounding fence. Finish by installing post caps and tightening all your hardware. Wipe down the fence to remove dust or fingerprints and touch up any scratches with matching paint. Thanks for watching. For more fence tips and expert advice, visit kaonfenceinc.com or give us a call at 781-767-3596. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos.